Here we go, folks. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California. I'm out here with my buddy Ron, and he's got a sweet 48 Dodge Business Coupe. This thing's a hot rod. It's got a 440 in it. That is pretty badass. Definitely a torque monster. He's got upgraded suspension, brakes, rear end. This thing's definitely been gone through. Let's take a closer look. D&M shifter. No speedo. Custom seats. It was a business coupe, but he put a little jump seat back there for the grandkids and great-grandkids. But this thing is, it's freaking badass. Hot and dry out here in Redding, California. It's actually a beautiful day today. Probably in the 60s. It's got the battery in the trunk. Got the gas tank back there. You know, at least the filler. Got the classic Dodge emblem. And man, Ron's poured his heart and soul into this thing. Pumped a lot of money into it. And he says it's time to go. So that's what we're doing out here. There's the door panel. You know, it's even got custom bodywork on it, you know, where they've welded some pieces together. And the paint is so-so. It looks good from 10 feet away, but when you get up close, you see some imperfections. It cost them a fortune, but it wasn't the best job in the world. But mechanically, this thing is sound. I don't see any rust. I don't see any rust repair. Signs of rust repair. And it's a Dodge, man. Be different. This thing is badass. And it really gets up and goes. So I got a lot of still pictures. Please check them out. plattmotors.com. This one's next. There's Ron in the background. We got a badass Dodge here. And so give me a buzz anytime, 707-599-9448, plattmotors@gmail.com, plattmotors.com. Check out the stills and let me know what you think. I appreciate you looking at my videos. Look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you.